Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Busy back with another video, and today it's gonna be a little bit more of a trading video because I guess I did one 5-minute video last week, and today it's mainly because I'm trying to prove something with this video. Because my last video, when I was talking about OTC and it's price manipulated, and everyone is like, all your trades are fake, you do everything on demo. And if you've been on this YouTube channel for a very long time, like I'm the only one showing you my close trades, I'm the only one showing you my trading history, but not a big deal. I think a lot of these people are new, so we're gonna dive into it. I'm gonna show you my little strategy because it hasn't changed. I've been improving it, my system has been working. I'm gonna show you guys that, and I'm gonna show you guys what my demo account looks like and what my real account looks like. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Yo gang, so let's pull up to the chart, and as you can see, I've got my 1 day got my 1 day chart on, just looking at the markets. Been looking at it for a minute, and as you can see, today I'm going to be doing 5 minutes. I'm going to change my time a little bit later to 5 minutes, or maybe I'm going to keep it at 3, depending on how I see the markets is going and what opportunities I feel like I can get out of this. So first things, we're looking at the trend in the markets right now. You can see a couple of movements on our 1 day chart. You can see some nice movements upwards, downwards. See how the trend is moving right now. It's seeming that the market might be drawn a little bit downwards. So first I'm gonna add my indicator right here. So what I see they were driving a little bit downwards. Let me go back to 5 minutes real quick. And here we can see almost the opposite, right? So I'm gonna go to 15 minutes to get a bigger picture. You see the market is pulling upwards, right, overall. So right here, I'm gonna be thinking about what's gonna happen in the next candle. So let's look at the candle a little bit better. I'm gonna add my moving average. Do my 200 EMA. Just leave it there. As you can see, we can see that being crossed a little bit. So that might mean that the market is about to pull upwards. But at the same time, we can see that the market has stayed kind of low in this part. So I think we're going to enter into probably, if we could enter for a minute quick put right here, I feel like we could take a little bit of profit. As you can do, I'm doing 1%. So I think we could take a quick little profit in 1 minute if we're to go for a put right there. And wait for that to happen. As you can see, we're getting closer to our entry point. Even though overall trend is upwards, we're just trying to quickly take some profit. So as you can see, always be looking at your time frame depending on how you feel that the market is going to go for the next couple of minutes. As you know, every second counts. Every second counts. Like literally here, we're in the money and out of the money a couple of times here, as you can see, with 17 seconds left. I would say it's looking great for us right now. Looks like the price is completely pulled away. Buyers are pushing that price up. I thought we might quickly be able to scalp on this. It turns out into a loss for us real quick. But now we can see the price is being pushed up. We can go to about $1,000, and we're looking to enter into a call right now. We're going to enter for, as you can see, price pulled all the way down, so we're not far off, but I think a call is the right thing to go here for a minute. And then we go back to our 5 minutes. So we're gonna scalp that real quick. And while we're looking, I want to see generally where the market is moving here. And I think that a call is the next thing that we can make, even for 5 minutes. I think if we can enter into a call for 5 minutes, that'll also be great. Just come on. Y'all see this? I'm gonna have to refresh the page real quick. Still same. Maybe I'm gonna just change the time frame back to 15. All right, so we'll stay right here. So pretty much we're able to take that profit. We're 500 with $330 some we lost, a little bit in profit right now. And basically I might like to follow this trend upwards and see what we can make out of it. So right now we've crossed our 200 EMA. Price is right over and oversold. See that candle being pushed up. Reduce my account back to about 1%. I'm gonna enter into a call right here, maybe for another minute, because I can see the price just went over. So right here, boom. Okay, I think that's a good little entry right there. Price is pulling down. I can get my finally. So price pulled down a little bit on our M5, but I'm not worried. I'm thinking that this price should pull up a little bit before we see that fall. So with 30 seconds left, we'll be to scalp, quickly enter the market, see where we could take profit or not. We're still in the money for about 300 generally, just off the couple of trades that we made. So 20 seconds left. It's close. And I can see, just look at how long that wick is, shows that the price is being pushed up. So that means I feel a little bit more confident in this situation. So as you can see that as well, it's looking good for us. We're able to switch, make about 195, 96, 35 to be precise. And see, we're able to take profit on that. As you can see, this nice little 3 trades. 300 loss to start though, wasn't nice, but we'll keep it going. So we still see the market is pulling upwards. If we go to our M1, we can see a situation where the price is way over our 200 EMA, which showing the market is bullish at this time. But at the same time, we can see that we're in oversold, so we're expecting a reversal at any time. So when we go to our M5 again, now it's gonna take forever to load this shit. All right, it's gonna take forever. All right, no. So right here, we're expecting a market has crossed an oversold condition, so we're expecting a downward trend right now, right? Anytime, but still be sure that the market could pull off. But when we look at what's recently happened in the market, if you look at my stochastic oscillator right here, you can see the market stays a little bit oversold here, but a little less here. So this might be a situation where you're looking to quickly enter into a nice little put to kind of round it up. I'm seeing the price being pushed up a little, but the seller's kind of being controlled and not losing momentum. A little bit lost there, but I might enter into that right there. Into a put, quickly scalp out of there. Couple of seconds. It's looking good. $35 seconds left. As you can see, this is the trading session for today. Just so, because I've heard a lot of people say like, yo, my account is not real because my shit don't change. All my strategies is on demo, and you know, I've shown you guys multiple times that none of this shit is on demo, and I'll be trading live for real because nobody else is showing y'all this. So you can see exactly the pairs that I trade. You can see the time. You can see everything. So I don't know how you could like say that this ain't the real deal. Right there. Look at the time. Correlate the time on my trade. The time. Look at that. And now just to show you guys what I'm on. Look at it. This is what? Demo account. I got less money on my demo account than on my real account. See that? That's real. This is demo right here. What else I gotta prove? So I think this is where we're gonna end it. And you can see that you see I have no trades on my demo, nothing. And when I go into my real, what do we see? Trades that it's just happened. So you can see I don't have no reason to add my losses. You guys can see here, lost a little bit of $2,000 on OTC. Lost another grand right here, but you can see consistency is key. Pull it up. That's what we do. So thank you guys for joining me for another video. I'm gonna keep making this videos over the next couple of weeks. I'm thinking about making like a little challenge for myself and try to, because I made the video the other day about like $10 to $50,000. It was like a joke, but I really wanted to make like a challenge of how much money can I make starting with $10. Of course, it's not gonna be over one session. It's gonna be over a couple of days. I don't know if you guys are interested in this. If you are, write in the comments. So thank you for joining me for another busy video. If you want the latest and greatest info on how to trade, links will be in the description to my Telegram channel. You can get all the info for free, and you can watch me trade live every single day. So go join. Links are in the description. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.